In the Azure Public Cloud, Zerto uses a Zerto Cloud Appliance, or ZCA, to optimize the efficiency of resource consumption. The ZCA is a single virtual machine that combines the jobs of the Zerto Virtual Manager, or ZVM, and the Virtual Replication Appliance, or VRA, in a traditional hypervisor environment. The ZCA is Windows-based and is typically deployed on an instance of a D3v2 type Azure virtual machine. There is an instance available for deployment in the Azure Marketplace. Because the Zerto Cloud Appliance VM is handling the workload of multiple VMs, it is slightly larger than a traditional ZVM and VRA. However, as a D3v2, it is still cost-effective. There are some other architectural differences between a traditional hypervisor and Azure. The journal is being stored using Azure Block Blobs, and the replica disks are stored using Managed Page Blobs. Discrete objects, such as log files, use Azure Block Blobs. Azure Page Blobs are for random read-writes and store disks like VHDs. There are different storage tiers in Azure for journal data storage and replica disk storage. Should a fast recovery to Azure be needed, these tiers make it more cost-effective and easier to manage. Either a VPN or express route configuration is a requirement for pairing a traditional hypervisor source site and Azure. Zerto can provide you with the opportunity to go between clouds, region to region within Azure, from on-premise to cloud, and to cloud service providers. Check the field notice for region availability. It's easy to set up region-to-region replication. You just need to set up VNet peering between regions, install a ZCA in each region, and pair them. You will then be able to replicate between regions just like you could from on-premise to the cloud. If you have a disruption in your production environment and need to fail over to your recovery site, there is one important difference with replicating from Azure compared to replicating from on-premises. To ensure application consistency, we recommend using the move operation in the event of a disruption. This is because the move operation allows Zerto to take a final checkpoint after we turn off the applications. Since the failover operation does not include this checkpoint, Zerto cannot ensure application consistency with this operation when replicating from Azure.